How to get paid early with Chime app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how some people get their paychecks 2 days before everyone else, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into how to get paid early with the Chime app, how it works, what you need to do, and why it might be one of the most helpful financial tools out there. Whether you're a freelancer, full-time employee, or side hustler, this feature could change the game for your budgeting. So you can just grab your phone and let's get started. Now all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. So the first thing that we have to talk about is what is Chime. Before we head over and talk about early pay, let's go over what Chime actually is. Chime is an online financial technology company, not a traditional bank. They partner with FDIC insured banks to provide checking accounts, saving accounts, and debit card, all with no monthly fees, no overdraft fees, and a super simple user experience. One of Chime's most popular features is the getting paid early feature, but how does it actually work? And so, Chime's early payday feature works through a system called direct deposit. Here's the basic idea. Normally, when your employer sends your paycheck to your bank, traditional bank holds the funds for 1 to 2 days before the process happens to the deposit. Chime doesn't do that. As soon as they receive your payment file from your employer or benefits provider, they make the money available for up to 2 days early. This means that if your payday is happening on Friday, you might actually see the deposit in your account on Wednesday, which is a game changer. From there, let's talk about the requirements for this feature or the direct deposit early pay feature. So how do you qualify? Step 1, you need to have a Chime spending account. Step 2 is you need to set up direct deposits with your employer or payroll provider. Chime provides a pre-filled form in the app to make this super easy. Now step 3, your employer must submit the payroll file early. Most do. There's no additional fee or subscription required. Early pay is included with your Chime account. All you have to do is to go ahead and follow those 3 steps. Have a Chime spending account, set up direct deposit with your employer. Once again, Chime provides a free-filled form in the app to make it easier. And the last step is your employer must submit the payroll file early. And so, I'll go ahead and show you on how you can set up direct deposits with Chime. Unfortunately, I don't have Chime on my mobile devices, so I'll just go ahead and tell you the step-by-step process. The first thing that you have to do is to open up the Chime application and tap on the Move Money option, and from there you then have to click on Select Set Up Direct Deposit. You'll be shown your Chime routing and accounting number. You can either share that info manually with your employer or use the automatic form Chime provides to send it electronically. It will simply look something like this photo right here. Now, as a pro tip, some employer allow you to split deposits between account. Make sure 100% goes into Chime if you want to use early pay. From there, let's go ahead and ask, does it always come early? While Chime promotes up to 2 days early, this isn't guaranteed. Your payday might still arrive on the normal date if your employer delays your payroll and if the payment processor sends the info late. Holidays and weekends can also affect the timing. So, while most users see their pay early consistently, it's not a hard promise or 100% guaranteed. Now let's talk about the benefits of getting paid early. Why does early pay matter? And here are some key benefits. Number 1 is a better cash flow. No more waiting until Friday to pay your bill. You have budgeting advantage. You can plan your month sooner, avoid late fees. You can pay rent, utilities, or credit card bills on time. And lastly, you then have peace of mind. You know when your money is coming in. And so for freelancers or gig workers, this feature helps you stay liquid when cash is tight. Now, is it safe to use this feature? Yes, your money is safe with Chime. While Chime isn't a bank itself, your funds are held by partner banks like the Bancorp Bank or Stride Bank, both FDIC insured. Your account is protected up to $250,000, plus the app has real-time transaction alerts and instant card lock for extra security. And so, who should use Chime for early pay? Chime is great fit for 9 to 5 employees with regular direct deposits, gig workers who receive electronic payments from platforms like Uber or DoorDash, freelancers who work with clients paying through payroll system. So if your income is tied to a platform or payroll company, Chime likely works for you. From there, let's also navigate through the common issues and fixes on this specific feature. Some users report issues like not receiving early pay or direct deposit delays. Here are some quick fixes. You want to double check your account and routing number. You want to ensure 100% of your paycheck is being sent to Chime. You want to contact your employer payroll team to confirm processing times, and you want to use the Chime support chat if something seems off. Chime's customer service is available 24/7 and usually responds fast. Now, can you go ahead and cancel or change direct deposit? Absolutely. You can switch your direct deposit bank through a traditional bank at any time. Just fill out a new direct deposit form from your employer and provide the updated banking info. But honestly, most users stick with Chime once they get started getting paid early. Now, some tips to go ahead and maximize Chime's benefit. Here are some bonus tips to get the most out of Chime. Number one is you want to turn on the transaction notification so you know exactly when you're getting paid. You want to use the Save When I Get Paid feature to automatically put aside savings. You want to try Spot Me. It's a Chime's free overdraft protection for up to $200. And lastly, you want to use Chime Credit Builder to build credit while spending responsibly. And so, is getting paid early with Chime really worth it? Absolutely. It's free, fast, and gives you a head start on managing your finances. If you've tried of or if you're tired of waiting until Friday to get your money, Chime might be the upgrade that you need. And so guys, once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so you can just go ahead and check them out. Once again, you want to make sure that you follow the 3 steps that I've provided, so go ahead and make sure that this feature works smoothly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and drop a comment if you've tried Chime's early payday feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.